friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. In this video lecture, we will discuss the basic MCQ of computer engineering, which is generally asked in all types of competitive exam. Let us start with question number 1. Keyboard, mouse, monitor and system unit collectively also known as कीबोर्ड, माउस, मॉनिटर और सिस्टम यूनिट को भी कहते हैं सॉलिडवेयर, सॉफ्टवेयर, हार्डवेयर एंड फर्मवेयर. So as we know that these are the हार्डवेयर. कीबोर्ड, माउस, मॉनिटर उसको हम हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स भी बोलते हैं. So the right answer is option C. Question number 2. Which of the following device is used to play fast games on a computer? Touch surface, touch screen, trackball and joystick. So I think all of you are knowing, we are using joystick is used to play the fast games on a computers. So the right answer is option D. Question 3. GUI stands for graphical user interface, greater user, graphical union interface and graphical user interest. So the right answer is option A, graphical user interface. It is the full form of GUI. Question number 4. The system board is also known as the main board or motherboard. System board को हम main board या motherboard भी कहते हैं. It's a true and false. So system boards is also known as motherboard. So the right answer is option A. Question number 5. Backup programs make copies of the file to be used in case of the original files are damaged or lost. It's a true and false. So as we know that the backup files, or we can say backup programs, make the copy of the file. So whenever there is a damage or lost of the original file, so we can recover it from backup program. So the right answer is option A. Question number 6. The capacity of a storage device is usually measured in terms of bytes. It's a true and false. So as we know that the capacity of the storage device, it is measured in bytes. Right answer. Question number 7. Word processing, electronic spreadsheet, database managers and graphic programs are all grouped under the title. Word processing है, electronic spreadsheet है and data sheet जो और graphical जो programs, graphics के जो programs होते हैं, इस एक शीर्षक के अंतर्गत रखा गया है. Browsing programs, operating system, application software and data information. So the right answer is application software. Question number 8. Cache memory is used to store more frequently access information from the RAM. True? False? So the right answer is true. Cache memory is used to store most frequent access information from the RAM. Question number 9. The keys labeled 0 to 9 on the keyboard are called. कीबोर्ड के जिन बटनों पर 0 व 9 लिखे होते हैं उनको डैश कहते हैं. फंक्शन कीज, न्यूमेरिक कीज, टाइपराइटर and special purpose keys. So guys, here you can see that 0, 1, 2, 3 to 0 to 9. This is called numeric keys. So the right answer is option B. Question number 10. Dash consists of step-by-step introduction that tells the computer how to complete the task. It's called program, hardware, data and object. So program consists of a step-by-step introduction that tells the computer how to complete the task. So the right answer is option A. Question number 11. Dash is a background software that helps the computer to manage its internal resources. एक बैकग्राउंड सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसकी मदद से कंप्यूटर अपने आंतरिक संसाधनों को व्यवस्थित करता है. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर, इंफॉर्मेशन, ऑब्जेक्ट एंड नन ऑफ दिस. So as we know that the system software is a background software that helps the computer to manage its internal resource. Question number 12. CD-ROM stands for compact disk read-only matrix. It's a true or false? So as we know that CD-ROM stands for compact disk read-only memory. It's not a matrix. So it's a false statement. So the right answer is option B. And the true answer is compact disk read-only memory. Question number 13. Following are the file compression programs except निम्न में से सभी फाइल कंप्रेशन प्रोग्राम है सिवाय के WinZip, WinRAR, PKZip and RAID. So as we know that WinZip, WinRAR and PKZip, okay, these are the file compression program, but RAID, it is not a compression program. So the right answer is option D. Question number 14. Floppy disk आर रिमूवेबल स्टोरेज मीडिया. फ्लॉपी डिस्क एक रिमूवेबल स्टोरेज डिवाइस है. इट्स ए ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. सो एज वी नो दैट फ्लॉपी डिस्क इज ए रिमूवेबल स्टोरेज डिवाइस. वी कैन इंसर्ट इट एंड रिमूव इट, okay, with the system, and whenever it is required at that time we can use it. So it's a true. Question number 15. Microprocessor is often called as CPU. माइक्रो प्रोसेसर को प्रायः CPU भी कहते हैं. इट्स ए ट्रू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. डैश आर ग्राफिकल ऑब्जेक्ट्स यूज्ड टू रिप्रेजेंट एन ओपन कॉमनली यूज एप्लीकेशन. डैश ग्राफिकल ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं जिनका इस्तेमाल अक्सर उपयोग की जाने वाली एप्लीकेशन को प्रदर्शित करने और ओपन करने के लिए होता है. इट्स कॉल्ड GUI, प्रिंटर, विंडो एंटी and icons. So as we know that icons are graphical objects used to represent and open commonly used application. So whenever we install any software, at that time we generate the shortcut on the desktop to open the application. So the right answer is option D. Question number 17. Data stored in RAM is dash, is non-volatile, is only there while the power is on, remains only a few minutes after the power is turned off, and is permanent and only lost in power failure. So as we know that the data stored in RAM is only there while the power is on. Question number 18. 4-bit और हाफ बाइट is called. 4 बिट अथवा हाफ बाइट को हम क्या कहते हैं और क्या कहलाता है? It's called pixel, it's called nibble, it's called memory, or none of these. So as we know that 1 byte equal to 8 bit and half byte equal to 4 bit, and it is called nibble. 4 bit equal to 1 nibble. So the right answer is option B, nibble. Okay, it's a right answer. 4 bit or half byte is called nibble. Question number 19. Random access memory, RAM, is a type of memory. Random access memory dash प्रकार की मेमोरी होती है. It's a permanent memory, temporary, flash and smart. So as we know that the random access memory is a temporary, अस्थायी मेमोरी होती है. Question number 20. The internal memory of the computer is present on the motherboard in the form of chips. Answer is true or false. As we know that the internal memory of the computer is present on the motherboard in the form of chips. So the right answer is option A. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope this content it will be helpful to you.